Hello and welcome to Minukuu tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to appeal YouTube's decision to delete one or more of your videos from your channel. Okay, so this is something that could happen to any of us, and today I'm a victim, and I'm going to share with you my story, and I will help you resolve the problem by contesting YouTube's decision. All right. So what happened was that today I just published a video on a simple procedure like how to apply for a work permit in France after your studies as a foreigner in France. And this video does not really violate YouTube policies in any way. However, for the fact that I kept my ID and YouTube considered this as showing personal information, and they decided to take down my video. However, this does not affect my YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you how you can actually contest, or if you want, appeal YouTube's decision. Alright, now this is very simple. Immediately after the video was taken down, I was sent an email about what happened. Okay, and now if I should click on this particular link here in an attempt to open the video, you realize that the video is nowhere to be found. So as you can see, they're saying this video has been removed for violating YouTube's policy on harassment and bullying. Meanwhile, the video does not really violate YouTube's policies in any way, as I explained. Now, if I should click on view in studio, okay, after clicking on view in studio, it will give me the possibility of reviewing my video. Okay, let's see what it will show. Now it's saying what we found. As you can see, this is how it is. They're saying that we found something that may violate, so it's not fixed. Okay, it's not what they are saying. It's not established yet. Okay, so that may violate YouTube's guidelines. To help keep the community safe, we've removed it. So usually I think the first review is always automatic, so you have to, by appealing, YouTube is going to review, per your case. You're going to have a case review. So this would be something, maybe if the first review was just computer based, the second one will be done by a human being, and if they realize that your content doesn't really violate their policies, they will put back your video. So they are saying that in the next two steps, we'll ask you to take a look at your content and the policy. Now, if you would like to appeal, we will be happy to review your content again. Okay, and as you can see, my channel is not affected. So one thing that I have to tell you is that when your video is taken down, please don't try posting the video again, because any attempt to post the video again may lead to a channel strike. So if you don't want this, just make sure that after this your video is taken down, simply apply for a review. In other words, simply appeal for a review, and if nothing is done about it, or if YouTube decides to remove your video permanently, simply move on, upload a different video. You still have all the world at your hand. Okay, you still have all the time to make other videos. You cannot say because of a single video you keep on trying to play stubborn and end up getting your channel striked. So for this reason, my channel fortunately is not affected. It's just this only video that has been removed, so the video is no longer visible publicly, and monetization is also eligible for this particular video. Now to review, I simply click on begin review. Now when I click on begin review, they are saying this is the policy that I violated. They are claiming that I violated harassment and cyberbullying, which is never the case, because they are saying content revealing personality identifiable information is not allowed. So to them, they've seen my ID, even though I masked most of their stuff, like I masked my names and everything. Seeing this picture of me and everything, it's actually my personal picture. It has nothing to do with anybody, but they feel like content revealing personally identifiable information is not allowed on YouTube. So they are saying that they review, YouTube usually reviews what educational, documentary, artistic, and scientific content on a case-by-case basis. Now, limited exceptions are made for content with sufficient and appropriate context and where the purpose of posting is clear. Okay, now I will simply click on next, and when I click on next, I'll click on I want to appeal. Removing the video doesn't make sense to me. Now when I clicked on this, they would ask me, I could submit straight away, but I would advise that at least you send a message of appeal. Okay, before you even do this, you make sure you prepare your message, and then you click on I want to leave a comment. Okay, so and then you simply put your message here. So I've already prepared my message, and let me copy and paste it there. So I prepared my message on Word document, and I'm just going to paste my message here. Let me read the message for you to see. Okay, this is my message. I said, dear YouTube team, first of all, comma, let me put comma here. First of all, thank you for reviewing my video. For this allows, or this ensures that I upload appropriate content. However, I would like to bring to your notice about the fact that the video that you just removed does not reveal any personal information. It is a simple tutorial that I made on myself, showing other foreigners in France how to apply for a work permit after their studies, like I did, if they wish to stay in France. I am therefore appealing for a review of my video. Thanking you in advance for your help. Kind regards, Minukuu Tutorials. And then you simply click on what? Submit. Now I've clicked on submit, and my review has been sent. Okay, so they are saying thanks for your review. Did you know that most creators never get a second strike? Did you know that most creators never get a second strike? Check our community guidelines, whatever, anytime you are unsure about posting your content, whatever. So they are saying that okay, most importantly, my review has been sent. So I simply click on dismiss, and that is it. So YouTube is going to review my content, and possibly I'll get back my video monetized.